Welcome to Tataran End User Training. My name is John McAnulty, Tataran's Global Technical Training Manager. The goal of this presentation is to illustrate by example how to insert a holiday or any temporary greeting into the Aeonix Auto Attendant. I will also illustrate how to remove the temporary greeting once it's no longer needed. We will use the Record by Phone option to implement this. This process will allow the customer to change the greeting without the need to involve the Tataran partner. The procedure is as follows. We will insert a blank audio file in front of the normal auto attendant greeting. We will then record the temporary greeting via the Aeonix Touch or any phone. The greeting we're going to record is, "Thank you for calling Stratus Inc. Our office is closed for the 4th of July holiday. We will reopen on Monday, July 7th. Have a wonderful holiday." Once the holiday is over, we will delete the temporary greeting via the Aeonix Touch or any phone. Our first step will be to insert a blank audio file in front of the normal auto attendant greeting. So here we're looking at the script designer, and we can see the main menu of the auto attendant, and currently is configured the Stratus Inc. Auto Attendant prompt. So this is the normal auto attendant prompt that will play day in and day out. But when we have a holiday coming up, we want to insert a holiday greeting in front of this normal auto attendant prompt. Okay, so let's listen to what our normal auto attendant prompt is. I'm going to dial 8000, which is the alias to get to the auto attendant.
Thank you for calling Stratus Incorporated. If you know your party's extension number, you may dial it at any time. To reach our sales department, dial 1. To reach our support department, dial 2. To reach our receptionist, dial 0.
Okay, so that's the normal auto attendant. We're going to go into the audio file list, and we're going to insert a blank audio file in front. Now these steps that I'm doing in the script designer will be done by your Tataran partner. Your job as the customer will be to record the holiday prompt or the inclement weather prompt through your phone. So I'm going to slide over this record by phone audio file, and I'm going to put it on top of the normal auto attendant prompt. Now, initially there is no audio recorded in this file, so when someone calls the auto attendant, it'll skip over this blank file and go straight to the normal auto attendant prompt. Now a holiday is coming up, and we want the customer to record the holiday greeting for the 4th of July. So the customer will use a phone on their system. It can be any phone. I'm going to illustrate using the Aeonix Touch. And the Tataran partner will tell you the number to dial to record this prompt. In my example, the number is 8010. So I'm going to go ahead and dial that.
Please enter the message number to record. Press the hash or pound key when done.
So in this case, I'm going to use prompt 0.
Please record the message after the tone. To stop recording, press any key.
Thank you for calling Stratus Inc. Our office is closed for the 4th of July holiday. We will reopen on Monday, July 7th. Have a wonderful holiday.
The message was recorded. To review the message again, press 1.
I'll press
delete
1
and
to review.
re-record the message.
Thank you for calling Stratus Inc. Our office is closed for the 4th of July holiday. We will reopen on Monday, July 7th. Have a wonderful holiday.
To review the message again, press 1.
Okay, so that sounds fine. So now that that prompt is recorded, it will play before the normal prompt. So any of our customers calling in will know our office is closed for the holiday. And this same process could be done for any holiday, or it can be done for inclement weather, Let's go ahead and test our auto attendant and make sure the holiday prompt is playing. Once again, I will launch my touch. I will dial the alias for the auto attendant, 8000.
Thank you for calling Stratus Inc. Our office is closed for the 4th of July holiday. We will reopen on Monday, July 7th. Have a wonderful holiday.
Thank you for calling Stratus Inc.
Okay, so we did hear the holiday greeting, and then after the holiday greeting plays, it does go and play the normal greeting. Now let's assume the holiday has come and gone, and we're ready to just play our normal greeting. We want to delete that temporary recording that we did. So to do so, once again, we'll use any phone. I'm going to use my touch. I'm going to dial the alias that's been assigned by the Tataram partner for recording prompts. So we know we need to go in and delete record by phone prompt 0. I'm going to dial 8010.
Please enter the message number to record. Press the hash or pound key when done.
So we know it's prompt 0.
A message with the same number already exists. To override the existing message, press 2. To use another message number, press 8.
So I'm going to press 2.
To review the message again, press 1.
Let's make
To
sure
delete and re-record
we got
the
the right message
press 2.
to be sure.
Thank you for calling Stratus Inc. Our office is closed for the 4th of July holiday. We will reopen on Monday, July 7th. Have a wonderful holiday.
To review the message again, press 1. To delete and re-record the message, press 2. To delete the message, press 3. To hear the menu again, press 8. To exit, press star.
So I'm going to do 3 to delete the message.
The message was deleted. Thank you for calling and goodbye.
Alright, so now that the record by phone prompt 0 has been deleted, let's do another test call to the auto attendant and make sure that only the normal auto attendant prompt is now playing. So I will dial 8000.
Thank you for calling Stratus Incorporated. If you know your party's extension number, you may dial it at any time. To reach our sales department, dial...
Alright, so we are back to having our normal prompt. So to summarize, the Tataram partner will take care of all of the configuration in the script. You, the customer, will be responsible for recording the prompt. So you'll just need to know the alias to dial from your phone and then the prompt number to record.